says they thought you were related to Joe.
They thought I was related to Joe? I look nothing like that dude. All right, whatever. No, he's just taller than me. I'm working on this Raptor today, so yeah. I've probably tinted more F-150s than I've tinted any other vehicle in my lifetime. First shop I worked at was my dad's shop where I learned how to tint, and we had a contract with a Ford dealership. So I would work on F-150 front doors almost every single day. I've always peeled my film that way, or almost always. For years I've done it this way. And I didn't know that there was a name for that specific peeling method. Most guys just use the peel boards, those big glass boards that I slide around the car. But I found there's too many contaminants in the air between the peel board and the glass. This allows me to peel the film right in front of the window and then go straight to it, so there's less airspace that I have to walk the film through, allowing a much cleaner install, for me at least. I'm not saying there's any right way or any wrong way to tint windows. The only wrong way is if it looks bad when it's done. And then one thing, because we make such a big deal about having that nice pretty filed top edge, I just line the film up to go, if it cooperates, right there. Yeah. And then when I'm squeegeeing, I always do one squeegee this way, one squeegee this way. It stretches out the film. Shrinking the film ahead of time, like I did on this door, I just went straight to the install. It's nice to have a little stretch on that bottom. Can't let this all dry in here. And I've already popped this seal back a little bit just to give myself a little bit extra room. Slide the tint down there. I use the paper towel over the hard card. It does like two things. It soaks up the moisture that gets out beneath the film, and it protects the film from the tool to prevent scratch marks. Because that's like the easiest thing, the most common thing that happens, to me at least, that causes a redo, is me scratching the tint. Because the film is so, like, even though it does have it has scuff resistant coating, it has like a hard coat on it, that doesn't mean it's not scratch proof. So even like one grain of sand or one little defect in the plastic can cause it to scratch. Cool. Yeah, I usually go to lunch at 1:30. Ah.